Assalamu alaikum, Maisa. How are you?
Good. Alhamdulillah.
Maisa, তোমার পাখিগুলির নাম কি?
So the green one is Bob and the blue one is Niku.
So তুমি এদেরকে কি খাও?
I feed them apples, parsley, and leaves and seeds.
তোমার পাখিগুলি তোমাকে ডিস্টার্ব করে?
Not really.
তুমি কি লাইক করো তোমার পাখিগুলিকে?
Yeah.
তারা কি লাইক করে আর কি ডিসলাইক করে?
They just like getting yelled at. And they're not hand tamed yet, so I need to give them some time to get more comfortable towards my hands. So they don't like my hands, but they like food a lot.
So তুমি কতদিন পর পর পরিষ্কার করো পাখি কিভাবে তুমি পরিষ্কার করো খাঁচাটাকে?
I take out the tray first, and then I usually put newspaper underneath the tray, and I just take out the newspaper and put new newspaper on top of the tray.
And how many times you give them food?
I give them food. I don't need to. Like I just put seeds in their plate and they eat whenever they want to eat. And sometimes as a snack I give them fruits.
Do you change the water frequently?
Yeah, I have to change their water every single day.
Every single day?
Yeah.
So do you think your bird is now healthy?
They're healthy and happy, yeah.
Yeah, so you like them. Which one is your best one?
I don't know, I like them both.
You like them both?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think? আমরা কি করলে পাখিগুলিকে ভালো রাখতে পারি? সবসময় কি ধরনের রুটিন ফলো করতে হবে? কত ঘন্টা তাদেরকে ঘুমাইতে দিতে হবে? তারপরে খাবার কিভাবে দিতে হবে তাদেরকে?
Just don't yell at them and don't frighten them by trying to chase them around the cage, and give them some time to get used to you and stuff. And to make them happy, give them food daily and alone time at times, and socialize with them sometimes, like talk to them and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty
তোমার
much the basics.
পাখিগুলির বয়স কত?
They're like 6 months old, so they're basically babies still.
Okay. So তুমি কি এনজয় করে পাখিগুলি যখন শব্দ করে?
Yeah.
তোমার ডিস্টার্ব ফিল হয় না?
Only when they scream randomly I get weirded out, but it's fine. I mean, I guess they're happy, so.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ মাইসা, তোমার অনেক সময় নষ্ট করলাম। তোমার সুন্দর ইন্টারভিউর জন্য তোমাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
What the hell? You're welcome.
বাই।